Hi, it's Clark Reid back with you with some tech headlines for today. If you like the reports, help us out by crushing that like button. And you can also subscribe so you'll know when each astonishing new report is posted. Well, at least I'm astonished when I get them posted. Maybe you will enjoy them too. At any rate, it's come out in legal filings that Apple's been collecting a stupendous amount of cash from Google to keep Google's search as the default on Apple products. It's like about $20 billion. And there's been speculation about how much Apple might be paying OpenAI to run ChatGPT on the latest iPhones and Macs. Well, it turns out Apple's paying zero. AppleInsider.com reports that OpenAI is doing it for the exposure to billions of Apple users for now. The reverse is also true. OpenAI isn't paying Apple a dime either. This deal could change in the future. And in fact, Apple's been talking with Google about using their AI at some point. Apple Intelligence, the Apple branding for their new AI, will run on device with the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max and on any Mac running an M1 chip or better. And for more complex queries, limited info will go to the Apple Cloud Compute Service, Apple's super private and secure system. Queries that exceed what can be done there will go on to ChatGPT, but only after being authorized by the user. OpenAI claims it is not collecting any data from Apple users. YouTube has been relentless in their efforts to make it harder and harder to block ads. According to AndroidPolice.com, the latest move is a move by YouTube to server-side ad injection. This complicated ad delivery and delivery speed process will make it tougher for now for ad blocker makers to use to help users skip ads. For YouTube, it also complicates things too, as the ad info has to be sent to the premium users, to the members, so their client app can actually skip the ads. I'm expecting, and so are a lot of people, that the ad blocker people will figure out a way to take advantage of this and try again to block the ads for non-premium members. This isn't unlike the almost perpetual race between speed radar makers and radar detector makers that have played cat and mouse for decades. If the new system being trialed right now proves to cause too much lag time or hassle, though, YouTube may lose premium subscribers over it. A startup in the United Kingdom has used AI to uncover a new way of making rare earth-free magnets for EVs and other uses. The nextweb.com says Materials Nexus out of London has used an algorithm to analyze over 100 million combinations of materials to come up with a viable rare earth-free magnet. The reason for this is that it's such a biggie is that we're going to eventually run out of rare earths. And also, a lot of them are mined in China, which makes the supply insecure should China decide to cut off exports. The substances are crucial for the magnets in electric motors that power electric vehicles, among other uses, including microchips and superconductors. WhatsApp is rolling out an update that, among other things, will allow 32 people on a video call at a time. TechCrunch.com reports they're adding screen sharing, adding to the screen sharing, I should say, that they introduced last year. They're now making available shared audio, too. Previously, you could have 32 users on mobile, by the way, but now you can have 32 participants on Windows and Macs, too. So you can say that they're getting into Zoom's britches a little bit. Meta has also introduced Meta Low Bitrate Codec for WhatsApp. That'll improve call reliability where a user has a lousy network connection or they're using an older device. I'm Clark Reid, and you're Technified for now.